Kyrstin from Black Horse Motorwerks here. Welcome to World of Wheels 2024. I'm here to give you a tour of what Kansas City has to offer this year. Alright, here we have a 1980 308 GTSI. This is one of the first cars I worked on when I came to Black Horse. I am now known as the 308 328 Queen because I am kind of tinier. So it has a transverse mounted V8 engine which has dual timing cam belts on the right side of the car. So I'm the only one tiny enough really to fit in there. Usually a lot of the time we take off the deck lid whenever I do it, but I find it easier to take off the deck lid so I can squeeze my hiney in there to really scrape out all the old gunk. I really like these cars. They don't have a hydraulic clutch, they have a cable clutch, which I enjoy because you don't have to bleed them, so it's kind of like cheating. So it has the dogleg 5-speed, so instead of reverse being all the way to the right, it's on the top left, so it goes reverse first. So you gotta watch out for that when driving it and don't actually put it in first.
Alright, like I said, don't.
What's the hardest thing about working on 308s?
So 308s have a Bosch injection system, which works by when air comes into the engine, it pushes down a plate that introduces more fuel into the engine. So that is a very finicky system to work with, I would say. Alright, so here we have a 1993 C4 Corvette, or a doorstop as everyone calls it. One of my favorite not fun things, about C4 Corvettes is to change out this battery here. You have to take off this entire piece, which is usually a 10mm at the bottom, and then it's connected to the wheel liner itself. So here we have AMC AMX. It's owned actually by one of our customers here in town, Randy, who owns a lot more other cars that we personally work on. I haven't seen this one before, but it does have a 390 cubic inch engine that is carbureted, and it does have a custom upholstery, which is really nice. That was done by Hot Rod Express.
All right, Kyrstin, so what do we got here?
So I was just explaining to you, Nikki, that this is an 04 RX-8. So what makes RX-8s really interesting is they have a rotary engine instead of a normal piston type engine. So instead of going the up and down version for compression, stroke, all those fun things, it actually is basically a triangle inside a circle, which is called the Wankel, and that's how it creates horsepower. So we have a 2022 C8 right here, and I believe the color is called Red Mist, which is metallic red. I used to actually have a C8. Mine had an issue that I don't know if they fixed with the newer models, but mine had the issue of the same issue that older ones had with the valve spring issues, where your valve springs just decide that they no longer want to work and your valve drops into your engine. Mine was my exhaust valve on cylinder number 3, which was a pain. But I loved it because I have the removable top. So the nice thing about this is the top fully removes and can be stored inside your trunk, which they also boast that you can put 2 full sets of golf clubs back there, though I never golfed.
No golf, why not?
I'm not good at it. This is a 1969 C3 Corvette, which holds a really dear place in my heart. You can tell that it's pre-78 because the back glass is not, it's a different slanted type for the 78 onward, and then also it has chrome bumpers, which they got rid of in 72. So here we have a Suzuki Hayabusa. This has a stage 2 nitrous. I would not be caught dead on it. But, so the reason why Suzuki went with Hayabusa as a name is the main competitor at the time was a Honda Blackbird. And a Hayabusa is the name of a falcon that eats blackbirds. GT40 here, so it's going to be, this one's been to 1966, but you'll see in one of the episodes that we did, I just did plug wires on one of these guys. Arcing to the fuel rail, it was good. To ensure that the center lug doesn't come off, because that is the only thing that holds the wheel on to the car. So you put that as a safety to make sure that your wheel doesn't fall off while you're driving. Cybertruck here, it is a tank of a car. It's, you know, all stainless steel like a DeLorean, but very minimalistic on the inside. This is how I feel like a lot of cars are going to go in the EV route.
I'm good. How are you doing? What's your name?
My name's Kyrstin.
Kyrstin, I'm Rob. It's a
nice
pleasure.
to meet you, Rob.
So here we have the Tesla Cybertruck. Cybertruck features a couple awesome benefits. We have an 11,000 pound towing capacity, a 3,500 payload capacity, as well. It's bulletproof. You can go ahead up to the truck hard as you want. She ain't damaging. No dents, no scratches or anything like that. Go ahead, hit it as hard as you can.
No, I'm good. No.
Okay. Well,
I can't afford that.
Appreciate you guys stopping by.
Thank you.
Check out the Kansas City Auto Show Cybertruck. I just want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today at the 64th Annual World of Wheels. Make sure you like and subscribe for more cool car content in the future, and I'll see you guys next time.